Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna create a translator with Scratch. Are you ready? So if you are ready, let's begin. So I am gonna use this cat sprite as our translation sprite. Okay? So I name it translator and then I am gonna give it a home, a backdrop. So I think I will give it a chalkboard background. Okay, so it stands here and nicely before the chalkboard. And now go to events and get when key pressed. And right under this part in the left corner, there is a bottom left corner, this blue button. Click it. And it is called extension. From extensions, add this translate. Take this out for a moment. So we are gonna translate into many languages. So let's say we first translate into Chinese. So Chinese begins with C. So I put there. Now I take sensing, ask, and wait one, and I change what phrase do you wanna translate into Chinese? Okay, and then go to looks, say, and this here, and then again sensing, answer right here, and then change the code here to Chinese. So one is done. But to build a good translator, we need at least 5 languages. So let's do it. Now I am gonna duplicate this and okay. Now I am changing the C into let's say F. So next language we are translating is French. Okay, French. And then change this to French. Okay. Now let's translate into German. Okay. You can use any language. I am just using the languages I like and no. You can use any language you like. It doesn't matter. German. Okay. And then again duplicate this. Oops, something went wrong. Okay. Oh, first we have to change this into German. Now, okay. Now 3 languages done. Now again duplicate. Mhm. Now shall we do what are the languages? Korean. Okay, now I will do Korean. So Korean and here. Now 4 languages done. You can add as many as languages you want. Duplicate this again and change it right here. So I want to do next Japanese. Okay. So change it right here into Japanese. Now 5 done. In this basis, in this method, you can create as many as languages. Just I want to do a simple trick I forgot to do. Here, Chinese for C, French for F, G for German, and I need to add K for Korean. That's what I forgot. And J for Japanese. Now, okay. And also, we have to share it. How else our friends can use it? And we have to add instructions. Cause mm, when green flag click, it doesn't work. We have to add. What is the first language we took? When C pressed. When following. No, let's say press C to Chinese. F for French. G, sorry, G for German. And finally, not finally, K for Korean. Oops, I've misspelled and Korean. Oops, this word doesn't like to give me away. And finally, J for Japanese. So the instructions is done. Okay, you have to give instructions to languages you pick, not the ones I picked. If you give me the instructions wrongly, then others will blame at you cause your instructions aren't working. Won't they? Yeah. If you wanna create a good project, make sure to give instructions too. So let's see if it works, shall we? So, mm, I'm gonna create C key. Let's see if Chinese working. Hello. Okay, it is correct. And let's see now French. Mm, me. Okay, it is also correct. How about German? G. I will write 1. Okay, it's also correct. Now how about Japanese? I wanna. What is the word? Let's see. Good night. Yes, it's correct. So, I hope you got it. I hope you understood it. And I hope you enjoyed. So, until next time.